Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Wednesday, April 15, and we are learning about letter W this week. I have a Bible story to read to you about the letter W. It's about wind and waves and a miracle that Jesus did. Our story is called The Winds and Waves Obey. Jesus was tired all day long. He had been teaching from a boat on the lake. When evening came, Jesus said to his disciples, "Let's go over to the other side of the lake." In the back of the boat, Jesus went to sleep. Then a wild storm began. The winds howled. The waves came over the side of the boat. "We are in danger!" cried the disciples. The disciples woke up Jesus. "Teacher, teacher, save us!" they cried. "Don't you care that we are going to drown?" Jesus got up. He turned to the roaring waters. "Quiet," he said. "Be still." The winds went away. The waves were still. Jesus said to his disciples, "Why were you so afraid? Where is your faith?" "What kind of man is this?" the disciples asked each other. "Even the winds and the waves obey him." Boys and girls, we know who Jesus was. He was the Son of God, and he is so powerful, the winds and the waves obey him, and he is so powerful, and he loves us. Our Bible verse reminds us of how much he loves us. Can you please say our Bible verse together? "For God so loved the world that he gave his one and only Son, that whoever believes in him shall not perish, but have eternal life." Have a good day, friends.